Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Theory.
What does the dictionary say?
A body of principles, theorems, or the like, belonging to one subject.
Math rap.
A set of ideas used to explain theorems and principles. In the math domain, a theory can be examined and tested again, like how gravity makes droplets fall during rain.
Math rap.
Share this joke with your math and science teacher. Was Einstein clear on the idea of relativity? Yes, in theory. Explain theory in your own words. What are your thoughts on theory? Make a theory of how many birds you'll see flying in the sky today. Consider the season, current weather, and wind conditions. Write down a number now. Keep track throughout the day. Go back to your number. Were you close? Give some theories of why you were close or not close to guessing the right number of birds. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!